Myself, Shankar Reddy. I'm from aero section. Today's topic is non-linear evolution of shear flows in double tearing modes. Understand the physics of the onset and evolution of tearing modes in a magnetically confined plasmas in a circular for the achievement for a burning plasma state in a future experiments. Tearing modes and a slow growing instability causing the topology change of field lines through the reconnection of magnetic field lines to form magnetic lines. By the processing of transformation of magnetic energy into plasma, kinetic and thermal energy occurs in a relative short time. Experimental attempts to achieve the highest beta, where P is the pressure, B is the magnetic field. In the tokamak is discharged typically transmitted by the growth of m by n 2 by 1 tearing mode. As a result, tearing mode is instably considered for a degrading plasma confident suggested as a potential trait for the successful operation of burning plasma experiment. Recently, there is experimental evidence the plasma confidence can be improved in the recognition of negative magnetic shear, which is able to stable pressure driven modes and thus higher beta plasma. On the contrary, the understanding of plasma flows associated with the tearing modes remains incomplete. The flow have previously been inferred from E into B measurements observed in the plasma edge with a spectroscope and measured in the core with simulation on the nonlinear evolution to determine found that the thermodynamics flow layers were formed at the boundaries of magnetic fields. Further, the flows have be sufficient levels of shearing required for the surfaces. In numerical simulations that intensive that thin poloidal shear floats layer are generated in the magnetic island. In fact, in poloidal that rhodal flows are known to play a critical role in the regulations of stabilization of numerous modes in a document devices. The existence of high increased shear force has been proposed as a key triggered mechanism in ITB. The advanced document prepare the shear force induced the TMS is steadily numerical affected shear force of clearly showing during the process of a coupled magnetic reconnection. The nonlinear evolution of a shear flows are found by the weakly dependent on a plasma restricted during the explosive growth phase. Surface is shown to the important in the nonlinear evolution of shear force. The result implies that the force organization from the coupled magnetic reconnection to the islands. The next step to the experiments. Thank you.